Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches, October of 2025. Last week we did the stitch of the month. We worked through this stitch book called 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. And this month we had two versions of a stitch that we were working on. You can either do the alternating eyelet 1 or alternating eyelet 2. And so Teresa from Critters Crochet and I came up with this collab, and there's lots of ways to be involved. If you wanted to compete with us through videos with your channel, we would love that. Just get in touch with us and we'll tell you what you need to do. We have two people that are competing with us this month. We have Camille from Camille's Creations and we have Paige from Paige Loves Pumpkins. They're both listed in my description, so go check them out. So the first week we show what the stitch is, we show you how to make it. The second week of the month on Wednesday, we do a sneak peek of what we've created using that stitch. So it's our own creation. It's not going out and finding a pattern for that. We're making up our own pattern for that stitch. And then the third week, which will be next week for us, we show what we've made. And I put up a voting poll in my community tab, and you can vote for the project that you liked the best out of the four of ours. If you want to participate with us, but you don't have a channel, or you want to maybe practice before you would go on a channel and create a video, we have a Facebook page, and I always forget to say that, but we do have a Facebook page. It's called Battle of the Stitches. It's listed in my description. Come and join us. It's a lot of fun. People post their projects that they've created with the stitch of the month. And then Teresa and I do giveaways for people who participate in the Facebook group. So go and check that out. And I think right now we're ready for me to give you my sneak peek. This one's a really tough one for me to give a sneak peek of. But here, I'm going to bring it up from below. Let's see. It's not gloves. Anyway, I don't know. I debated showing different parts of it, but we'll have to wait till next week to see. So thanks for watching. I hope that you'll join in with all the fun. You can vote with us. You can join the Facebook page. If you're feeling brave, you can come and compete with us one month. So just let us know, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.